How to fix WhatsApp notifications not working. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp and make sure to update to the latest version. Now once you are done, go back to your home screen and keep holding your WhatsApp icon. Now tap on Force Stop. Now go to Manage Notifications. Now make sure to turn on all the toggles. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.